We have discussed all basic tools and workflow of the Cubase. We'll discuss some special features too. If you want to maintain multiple BPM rates within a project, you can do it by using a tempo track. As usual, right-click and add a tempo track. You'll get a separate track like this. A straight line in the tempo track is indicating the BPM of the project currently, which is 90 BPM. I'm clicking on that line at the 8th bar and dragging up to make it 100 BPM. Now you can see the BPM. Up to the 8th bar it's 90 BPM. Then it changes to 100 BPM. I'll play back the track with the metronome. You can hear the difference. In the same way, if we required to maintain multiple time signatures in a project, you have to use a signature track. I'm going to change the time signature to 3/4 at the 9th bar. Add a signature track as you see. Select the Draw tool from the toolbar and click on the 9th bar. You can enter your time signature there. I'm changing it to 3/4. If you check the beat count in a bar, it's 4 up to the 9th bar and 3 after the 9th bar.